Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel, and after a quiet Christmas day, big changes on the way for our Wednesday. Snow developing after about noon or 1 o'clock tomorrow, and certainly looks like that snow may be heavy at times. Blustery northeast winds will also cause some blowing and drifting snow, winds about 10 to 20 miles per hour. A little bit of snow on the ground for a white Christmas. About 51% of the country saw some snow on the ground Christmas Day, and that is up from 29% last year, and actually it is the third highest. 51% is the third highest we've seen in 10 years. Well, a lot of snow on the ground up in Gaylord, 19 inches, 18 inches up toward Sault Ste. Marie. We look at a winter weather advisory that kicks off in the morning from Detroit southward. Some of our northern folks like Lapeer and Sanilac County starts at about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. This storm is going to move up from the south and deposit some snow heavy at times, and you can see how it's really going to impact travel not only for us but through the eastern Great Lakes, the northeast, even the Central Plains. That swath of heavier snow develops overhead through the afternoon, stays with us through the evening hours, and even going into part of the overnight. We start to see that snow retreating off to the east by early Thursday morning. As far as snow totals, on average, about 4 to 7 inches of snow for the eastern half of the viewing area, about 2 to 5 from Jackson, Ann Arbor up toward Lapeer, 2 inches for the far western suburbs. And we do have a fast number, our first alert storm threat for tomorrow through Thursday. The huge impact will be trying to keep up with the roads, as we could see snow amounts of a ½ inch to an inch per hour in some cases. Temperatures tonight will drop down into the 20s, mostly cloudy, quiet, and then tomorrow the snow will start to develop into the afternoon hours, become heavy at times through the evening. Temperatures are going to stay on the cooler side, certainly. We're only going to be in the upper 20s. We get a break from any snow on Friday. Saturday, some light snow expected. Sunday, a high of 29. We'll stay in the 20s through Tuesday. Well, again, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. Hope you have a great night.